Today is all about the US core PCE price index, with the Federal Reserve's favored inflation metric expected to stay at 2.6%. Last time around, we saw a 0% month-on-month reading, and that's expected to rise to 0.2%. But that's still relatively under control if we do see that. And certainly if we see inflation remain at 2.6%, that will likely embolden some when it comes to them thinking that the Federal Reserve is perhaps in a position to cut if they wish. It comes as no surprise to see that market expectations point towards the next rate cut coming after July, because of course July is when those reciprocal tariffs come back into play. And so there's a huge amount of uncertainty. So whilst Donald Trump was pushing Powell yesterday to cut rates, they're unlikely to cut rates until they know exactly what's happening on the tariff front. That's only really going to be cleared up in July. And so for the time being, it's a case of seeing whether inflation remains under control to be able to provide the basis for the Federal Reserve to cut at the back end of this year.